Hi there. In this video today I'm going to explain to you an activity just about ordering decimals. So I've got a wee explanation of the different levels to make this easier or more challenging for you using what we know as our chilies in school. Your mild option, your spicy option, and then lastly your hot option. Here they are.
So here are the chili challenges explained for the ordering decimals activity. Your mild would be just to make cards with only tenths. That would be 1 decimal place, but keep the unit digit the same. I've done this for all of the chili challenges because if you keep the unit digit the same, that means that you're able to focus on actually ordering the decimals. So keep the unit digit the same and only tenths for mild. Spicy, you can have tenths and hundreds, so that's numbers with 2 decimal places, and keep the unit digit the same. And then the hot, you can have a mixture of 1, 2 or 3 decimal places, or maybe even more if you wanted to. Down the bottom there explains that there's a wee bit of an extra added challenge for every chili, and that is to order more than just 5 cards. You can do as many cards as you would like to.
So here I've prepared some number cards. So all I've done is cut up a bit of paper into tiny little bits, into cards, tiny little bits of paper, and I've written some decimals on them. So on these number here, decimal fraction numbers, I have done the mild challenge. So all my numbers here all have the same unit digit, as you can see here. They all have a 1 in the units place. And then that way you're having to focus on ordering the decimals. So just make yourself up some cards. As I say, do at least 5, but if that's too easy, do yourself some more cards, and so on. So I'm going to put these into order. So 1.2, that's 1 unit and 2 tenths, 1.4, 1.7, 1.8, and 1.9. And that would be an example of your mild. For the spicy, you make yourself up some cards to order where you have a number with 2 decimal places. So 2 digits after the decimal point. So you've got your tenths and you've got your hundreds. Now for these ones I've chosen a 0 for my units number, and I'm going to put these into order. 0.61, 0.7. So here, remember you're comparing your tenths first and then you compare your hundreds. So 0.3, that's only 3 tenths, so that's less than 6. 0.14, so that's 1 and that's 3, so you're comparing your tenths. Now this one, these both have 6 in the tenths, so if they've got the same digit in the tenths, you then compare your hundreds. So I've got a 9 and a 1, so 9 comes after 1, so they go in that order there. And that's their spicy. Your hot option is to do numbers with a mixture of 1, 2 and possibly even 3 decimal place numbers. And then you place these in order. So again, you start by comparing your tenths digit because they are all the same in the units. So the least in value in the tenths is this one here, 6.15. And then it'll be this one. And then this one, and that's because this one only has 2 tenths and no hundreds, whereas this has 2 tenths and 3 hundredths, so that's more, so that comes after it. And then it'll be 6.38, and then it'll be 6.432. So have a go at this ordering decimals activity. Make yourself up some number cards with numbers with either 1, 2 or 3 decimal places. As I said, if you keep your units digit the same, it means that you're actually focusing on the learning of ordering the numbers by their decimal places. And that'll just be that. You could do it, take some photos of your work and post them onto Teams or send them on learning journals, and we can check it for you and see how you're getting on with it. Good luck everybody.